Today, we're going to talk about the 5 best e-bike conversion kits that you can buy to electrify your regular bike. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, these kits can help you transform your bike into an e-bike and enjoy the benefits of electric assistance. So let's jump right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Coming in at number 5, we have the Level Piker Boost. This kit is known for its powerful 48 volts 1000 watt motor, which can provide a significant boost to your riding experience. It's a complete DIY kit, making it suitable for beginners who want to try their hand at e-bike conversion. This conversion kit packs a punch when it comes to power. With a sleek design and easy installation, the Level Piker Boost transforms your regular bike into an electric powerhouse. One of its standout features is its robust power delivery. The mid-drive motor seamlessly integrates into your bike, providing a significant boost in power and torque, making uphill climbs and long-distance rides effortlessly enjoyable. Speed demons, this one's for you. The Level Piker Boost is designed to give you that extra kick when you need it the most. With a commendable top speed, this conversion kit ensures that you can conquer any terrain with ease. Whether you're commuting through the city or tackling rugged trails, the Piker Boost has the power to keep you ahead of the pack. Next up, we have the Psych Photon. This kit is popular for its lightweight and compact design, making it a great choice for riders who want to maintain the look and feel of their regular bike. The Psych Photon is known for its easy installation and reliable performance, making it a top choice for many e-bike enthusiasts. The Psych Photon is not just a conversion kit, it's a customizable powerhouse designed to elevate your biking experience. What immediately sets the Psych Photon apart is its emphasis on adaptability and personalization. Cyclists have the flexibility to tailor their electric biking adventure according to their preferences thanks to its versatile and customizable options. Let's talk about customization. The Psych Photon allows riders to fine-tune their e-bike experience. Whether you're looking to boost your speed, extend your range, or enhance your overall riding comfort, this conversion kit caters to your unique needs. It's a fantastic choice for cyclists who want a bespoke electric biking solution that aligns perfectly with their lifestyle. At number 3, we have the Switch e-bike kit. This kit is known for its quality and versatility, allowing you to convert almost any bike into an e-bike. The Switch kit is available in different power options, allowing you to choose the right one for your riding needs. It's engineered to transform your beloved bicycle into an electric powerhouse, offering an unmatched level of convenience and adaptability. One of the standout features of the Switch is its universal compatibility, making it a fantastic option for a wide range of bike types. Whether you have a road bike, a commuter bike, or even a folding bike, the Switch conversion kit seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. This universal compatibility is a game changer, opening the door for riders of all kinds to experience the thrill and convenience of electric biking without having to invest in an entirely new bicycle. Another remarkable feature of the Switch kit is its portability. The lightweight power pack is easily detachable, allowing you to transform your bike into an electric wonder whenever you choose. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Switch kit adapts to your needs with unparalleled ease. Coming in at number 2, we have the Bafang M500. This kit is known for its powerful mid-drive motor, which provides a smooth and efficient riding experience. The Bafang M500 is synonymous with power and precision. Designed for riders who crave an electrifying performance, this conversion kit features a robust mid-drive motor that seamlessly integrates into your bike's frame. The result: an exhilarating ride that effortlessly combines speed, torque, and agility. One of the key strengths of the Bafang M500 is its mid-drive motor placement. Unlike traditional hub motors, the mid-drive design provides a more balanced distribution of power, ensuring optimal performance in a variety of terrains. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising on flat surfaces, the Bafang M500 delivers a reliable and efficient power output. Customization is at the heart of the Bafang M500 experience. riders have the ability to fine-tune their biking adventure with customizable settings. From adjusting the level of pedal assist to choosing the desired power output, this conversion kit empowers cyclists to tailor their ride according to their preferences and the demands of their journey. The Bafang M500 is popular for its reliability and performance, making it a top choice for riders who want a high-quality e-bike conversion kit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rubix. This kit is known for its innovative design, which allows you to electrify your bike in a matter of seconds. The Rubix isn't just a conversion kit, it's a marvel of engineering that seamlessly transforms your traditional bike into an electric wonder. What sets the Rubix apart is its unique design. And the magic happens at the rear wheel, where this conversion kit elegantly attaches to provide an instant electric boost. One of the standout features of the Rubix is its sleek and minimalist design. Unlike traditional conversion kits, the Rubix attaches to the rear wheel with finesse, adding a touch of modernity without compromising the aesthetics of your beloved bike. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement of innovation and style. Ease of installation is a key factor in the Rubix experience. With a user-friendly design, this conversion kit can be effortlessly attached to your bike, transforming it into an electric powerhouse in a matter of minutes. No complex installations or technical know-how required, just a seamless transition to electrified biking. The Rubix is popular for its ease of use and high performance, making it a top choice for riders who want a hassle-free e-bike conversion experience. So there you have it. The 5 best e-bike conversion kits that you can buy. Whether you're looking for power, performance, or convenience, there's a kit on this list that's right for you. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.